Ano bang meron sa first days? It's exciting, pero nakakakaba at the same time. Ang daming nangyayari. Ang daming expectations. Imbis tuloy na maka-impress tayo on our first day, we end up doing something else na naaalala ng mga tao for all the wrong reasons. Nakakatawa nga eh. In a person's life, ilang beses na rin naman tayong dumaan sa mga first days. And yet, every single time, parang first time ulit. If only I had the confidence and anong tawag nila doon? Swag? If only I had that, hindi ko sana problema ang first days. Gaya nung guy na yun, he's definitely got swag. In fairness sa kanya, parang artista, sikat, na mala Superman. At mukhang Adonis. Wow! Parang kape lang 3 in 1.
Miss, tabi!
Miss, okay ka lang? Sorry, munti ka namin tamaan
Yeah.
Are you sure? Sorry talaga by the way, I'm Jorgen.
Okay.
Miss, okay ka lang? Bago ka lang ba dito? Kasi parang ngayon lang ito nakita eh. By the way, I'm Jorgen.
Oh my God. It's him!